Hey gang, Jason here for the Love of Tractors. As you might know, I've kind of ventured into trucks a little bit. I'm not going to get super serious about custom trucks, but it's something I'm going to do some of in the future for sure. So this is, I'm mainly doing this video to show off this pup trailer, which is a Rockin' H kit, and it's super cool. I love it. Super easy to put together. It's basically, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. So you basically just paint and it all assembles, you put a little glue on it, and you're good to go. And it looks great. And so that's what I'm going to show off here. This is also a Rockin' H bed, and I also have a few of these if you're interested, of these beds. They are the Rockin' H bed. It's not my own bed or anything that I'm selling. I have his file, and I've made a few, and someday I'm going to make more, but right now time is of the essence. And anyway, if you're interested in one of those, let me know. I don't know what I got to have for them. I'd have to look it up, but we can work out a deal. I put these on a top shelf international truck, and I like those trucks. One, they were inexpensive. I don't know if you can get those too much anymore or not, or at least not as cheap as they were, but they were nice. They were great trucks. Hope we see more of that in the future. Anyway, so it just kind of slips on this little ball thing I got back here. But, so, like I said, you guys maybe have seen this bed before. It just, it dumps. I've got the DOT stripe on it. I got a little roll tarp I put over here. It doesn't roll, it's just the way it is. A little detail painting back here. And, you're good to go. There we go. You can see my flashers better. So, anyway, that's a sweet little bed, I thought. I always liked that style bed. Maybe I need to put some graphics or something on it. I don't know. It kind of looks plain Jane black, but I still like it. So let's take a look here at this pup trailer. Like I said, this is from Rockin' H, and super easy to assemble. I mean, literally, after I got it painted, 10 minutes tops. That's probably being generous. It was probably like 5 minutes. I'll show you the underside of it here. So the hitch goes up and down. These wheels and tires are off of a DC. No, they're not. They're off of one of these. Sorry, that was silly. Anyway, got distracted there. So it's a hopper bottom. The hopper is open. I mean, that's fine. Nobody looks in the bottom anyway. If you wanted to close it, I suppose you could just put a little plastic piece in there and close it off. It has a ladder and a step on the front. I was unsure. I almost painted that ladder silver, but then I decided not to. Now I did paint the step silver, so whatever. My roll tarp, I did black outside, silver tarp bows, and silver end caps, just for the heck of it. Not 100% sold on the way I did that. I probably maybe would just do everything all black if I did it again, but it looks good, don't get me wrong. One of the kind of the neat things is, so these tail lights are actually a part of this undercarriage, and so those sort of slip into those openings. And that works out really good. That was some slick design work there. Like, I was impressed when I saw that. I debated on leaving that the surround around those white, or maybe doing those silver. So I don't know. You could leave a message in the comments and let me know what you guys think. Because obviously we can still tweak this all we want. This side's basically identical to the other side. It does turn, although mine is stiff, which I think you want it stiff, but it does turn. And then you can see my little tarp, or not tarp, my little hopper roll thing there that I painted silver, just to kind of show it off a little bit against that black undercarriage. But anyway, so short video. Obviously, I don't know a whole ton about trucks. I mean, we obviously use them at the farm, but it's not like a tractor where I can probably talk for days. So anyway, I hope you guys liked that video on trucks. I probably will do a few more truck things over the winter here, now that winter is basically here. Like today, I just basically sat around and worked on toys, so it's a good day when you can do that. Alright guys, that'll do. Thanks for watching. As always, really appreciate it. Hope you have a wonderful holidays, Christmas, Thanksgiving, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, whatever it is you celebrate. I hope it's awesome. And be safe out there. Treat each other good. Happy tractor hunting.